So guys, today we'll be doing a full restoration on triple black Air Max TNs. These shoes are pretty beaten, so I'm looking forward to fixing them up. They are a size 14 men's, so they're very big. Looking around the shoe, we can see heaps of scuffs and separation around the toe box. The Air Max bubbles are looking very dirty, so hopefully that'll all wash out. And the soles are looking very scuffed. There's nothing we can do to bring them back to their original form unless you do a full sole replacement, which is very hard to do. We can see heaps of rocks and sticks all around the slits of the shoe and in the crevices, so we'll get all of that out. We're then going to fix around the shoelaces, do all the tongue, all of that, clean everything out, and hopefully it'll be looking fresh once it's all done. Now just looking at the other shoe, it's also in the same situation except there's massive separation where the shoelaces are, so I'll have to sew that up, but I will be leaving this shoe as a before and after purposes, so I won't be cleaning this one, I'll be cleaning the other shoe. But yeah, this is just a look at the other shoe. For this restoration, I'll be using 2 cleaners and 1 deodorant. I'll also be using 2 brushes, 1 medium bristle brush and 1 soft bristle brush. I'll be using the spray for the soles and the white bottle for the upper and all the mesh area. I'll be using the soft bristle brush for anything sensitive where it could be at risk of ripping if I use something stronger, and then medium bristle brush for soles and everything else. We'll start by putting a shoe tray in and then removing all the laces and starting by cleaning the upper and everything else. If you are cleaning shoes for yourself and you don't have a shoe tray, things like socks and newspaper work very well. Socks work sometimes better than shoe trays, like in this instant when the shoe is just massive. Even my shoe tray doesn't really reach the full length. I definitely recommend using a sock, they are great. Into the actual cleaning, I'll be starting with the Easy Shoe Cleaner or the white bottle. I'll be applying this to the upper and completely wiping the upper with my stiff bristle brush to start off with to get all of the grime out and to get the shoe looking nice. Alright, now we'll get into actually cleaning the upper. We'll be doing the top, the sides, and the tongue. So we'll get into it now. So I've just finished cleaning the tongue. There is a bit of lint and that around the sides of it and some loose strands of string. I would remove it now, but I want to remove it after the washing machine just in case it gets washed out and in case anything gets added to it. The soles, I'll be picking all the bark and stuff out with a fine tip or like a sort of pointy screwdriver head piece. So I'll get started on getting all this stuff out. Now that the shoes are all clean, I'm just going to put them into the washing machine to wash out anything that's deep and interior, and after they come out they should be looking fresh. So I've just put the washing powder in, and we'll get that closed and get the washing machine started. Chuck the shoes in. So the shoes have just finished drying. Now we're just going to do some final touch-ups before I do the final reveal. So I need to touch up the swoosh here, as it's got some mild scraping on it, sort of faded a bit, so I'll redo that. And the toe box here needs re-gluing just there. On top of that, I'm just going to touch up this small minor scrape here. I don't have paint for it, so I'm just going to use a Sharpie and just go over it, as it's a tiny little dot there, so it should be fine. And for the toe box, I'll just be using this super glue to just stick the edges there. Okay, so there we have it. Nike Air Max TN full restoration. On the right we have the cleaned up, fresh, almost new looking TN, and on the left we have the beaten up old ones. So I'll run some side to side comparisons in the next clips. restoration, please let me know what you thought in the comments down below. I'm looking at restoring some other shoes very soon, so definitely stay tuned for those. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.